Hello and welcome back to our Java class. In last class, we see writing a very basic Java code, a class file, right, where we processed it through Java compiler and then we run the code. Okay. Now in this class, we will try to understand these words that we are actually written. What is the purpose? Why we basically using these things, right? So the first thing we have to understand is here that we are commanding our computer to do something on behalf of us. Okay. Now, to make it more clear, I will just try to draw some picture. So maybe I can give you a little bit more understanding. Okay. So, if you see here, let's say this is you. Okay. So this is you. Okay. I'm just trying to draw a picture. So this is you, and you are trying to command or order your computer. So the first word you written here is system. Okay. So this is the first word you written here, right? Now what does it mean that you are saying system? So maybe you can think like, when you say system, that means you are actually pointing to your computer's CPU. Okay, just think like that. It's not necessarily 100% what I'm saying is right, but just think for now for understanding purpose. Okay, so this is your CPU, right? The computer machine. Okay, so think like you are ordering your computer and you are telling a word system. So hey system. So we can also type it here that I'm saying hey system. Hey system means actually you are requesting your computer or ordering or commanding your computer. Okay, so this is one thing. Now let's go for the second one, the chain command that you have written after system, this one. Okay, now this means out, right? Now out means actually you are saying, can you, so here you are saying your system, can you use your output device. Now what do we mean by output device? We mean something like this, a monitor maybe. Okay, so let's go draw another line here. Okay, all the way to see a monitor. Okay, a computer monitor. So just think like that. Okay, so this is a computer monitor. So you are saying, hey system, can you use your output device and then print a line for me. So println is another word that you are using as a command. So the third command here you are using is println. So you are just basically saying, can you take this sentence and print it to my monitor here, and exactly the output you are seeing, right, in the monitor, that when we are running the code, hello, right, computer. If you remember in last class we see it. Okay, now what you are doing here is commanding your computer. Now you learned at this point 3 different word combines one command, and all you have to do now is increase your this dictionary. Okay, today you learned System.out.println, 3 word from Java programming language. Tomorrow you will learn more. Okay, so day by day, as much as we practice, we will try to learn more and more this kind of work like system, out, println. Then maybe tomorrow we will practice something a little bit more to understand more words. Now day by day, that will be our main point to learn. Okay, and one day we will understand how to combine all those things together to build a very good and marketable software, or maybe how we can learn a little bit to use it to get a very high paying job. Okay, thank you. Let's meet in next class.